Ever wondered how the NEET counselling process works? What are the steps involved? And how can you make the most of it? Let's dive right in and unravel this together. The NEET counselling process is like a bridge that connects qualifying students to their dream medical colleges. But before you cross this bridge, there are some eligibility criteria that you need to meet. You must secure the minimum qualifying marks in NEET. Also remember, you need to be at least 17 years old, and there's no upper age limit. Some states also have specific domicile requirements, so make sure to check those out. Once you fulfill the eligibility, it's time to prepare for the counseling process. Start by researching the colleges and courses available. This will help you make informed choices during counseling. Prioritize your choices based on factors like location, infrastructure, faculty, and the reputation of the college. It's also important to familiarize yourself with the reservation policies of different states and institutions. This could potentially maximize your chances. However, the journey is not always smooth. The number of medical seats is limited, leading to intense competition. With lakhs of students appearing for NEET, securing a seat in a top college can be challenging. Also, counseling schedules and seat availability can change abruptly, requiring you to stay updated. To navigate through these challenges, it's crucial to stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest information and announcements related to NEET counseling. Now, you might be intrigued with a few queries, such as what precisely denotes NEET counseling. It is the mechanism through which victorious NEET contenders are allocated positions in diverse medical and dental institutions throughout India. How many stages of NEET counseling exist? It fluctuates based on the availability of positions and other elements. Is it possible to partake in all India and state quota counseling? Absolutely yes, it amplifies your probabilities of securing a position. Is there a refund policy for the NEET counseling fee? Generally, the counseling fee isn't refundable, so ponder before you proceed. However, there is a refundable security fee, assuming that the counseling rules are adhered to. An additional nominal one-time application fee is also imposed as of the process. Should you overlook the NEET counseling registration deadline, it can risk your chances of involvement in the counseling. Expert direction can ease this process. NEET advisors like Navin Hajwani, armed with more than 10 years of experience, support students in steering the NEET counseling progression. From providing guidance and support, educating pupils and parents about diverse career openings, assisting with the application procedure, to aiding students in organizing and prioritizing their college preferences, a NEET counselor plays an imperative role. They also aid in understanding how positions are allotted, base students' selections, and eligibility norms. In summary, the NEET counseling process is a vital stride towards your aspiration medical college. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, get ready well, stay informed, and seek professional guidance when required. Recall, every step you undertake brings you nearer to your aspiration. So inhale deeply, stay concentrated, and commence this journey. Good luck!